Hi everybody. As my title stated, I started a cookie tin DIY project that went south or it went awry. In my opinion, it was really not tasteful. It wasn't appealing. But let me know what you guys would do to turn this around. I have done some more modern type ones that I really liked at the end of the day, but this wasn't for me, it was for someone else. Tell me, what would you have done? Well, some of the footage is not included in this video. I had decided early on that I was not going to share this. However, it's good to show your mishaps too. The feedback I got was that the gold foil part was the most liked about the tin. And even though I'm not a gold person, the application to it and the finished look to it after adding the gold foil, I probably would agree. After applying a thin layer of resin on the tin, I just took strips of the gold foil and it just kind of lays it down. Just watch. So in my opinion, this is where things took a downward turn. And remember, I told you that the recipient of this said project is not a pink color loving person. Why did I choose this color? You might ask me. I don't know. But I'm going to let you guys see how it got worse. Go ahead, look at the thumbnail. That wasn't it. I decided I needed to connect these flowers with vines, you guys. Like, yeah, I'm not done. So I don't have footage on me embellishing the roses and the tulips and whatnot. You guys, it just kept getting worse and worse. And I felt like I was on I just felt like I was on a ride that I wanted to get off of. Now I will say this was an old keychain that I had that I just drilled a hole inside of the tin. You see me doing it there. And then I popped the gold brad through for which I could attach, or by which I could attach the little heart, copper heart or brass heart too. And I embellished that, guess, using diamond dots, which I felt was complementary to the colors, you guys. But all in all, this was just a project that I was not happy with. Now I gotta stop here because I'm gonna go and take a picture of what I did. Okay, so I removed as much as I could, and then I used a blue metallic pen over the colors I didn't like, and then I just put a clear coat over the tin. The response I got was, it's now a little less ugly. What would you guys do? Let me know. That being said, those of you who have come in lately and joined my channel or subscribed to my channel, I appreciate you. I see you. With that being said, you guys, I feel like this year is going to be a busy year. Hopefully it will be full of projects that you all can also put to use, with the common concept or theme that it be cost-saving tasks and DIYs as well. That being said, I thank you guys. Stay safe out there, and bye-bye.